Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and we are going to plan for January the 3rd through the 9th. And you may be able to tell I am doing a voiceover because after I recorded this video and I went to play it back to edit it, there was no sound. So let's get it going. I've got my wax paper and I'm going to try to quote this as best I can. I have sped up certain sections of the video to just make it more digestible. All right, so the book that I'm going to be using is Jungle Vibes. And I have both the classic and the mini, and I actually decided not to use the mini for here because I'm going to also use it for my on-the-go mini. So here I'm just pulling out some stickers that I think I would like to put into the spread and placing them on the wax paper, and I'm going to speed this up at some point so that it's not so much to just watch, because I cannot remember everything I said in that video, of course, and that saddens me because I said a lot. But we'll go here. Now you can see that this book also has the alphabet, and it has it in this forest leafy kind of print with some pinks and whatever in there that matches the book. So I was talking about in this section that I'd watched BTS give their Thanksgiving little speeches, and they were telling me that telling us that it was the year of the tiger. So I decided that for my first spread for 2022, I would do the year of the tiger. And that's important to me. If you didn't know, it's because I am studying Korean and learning the language rather. I also will study the country more also, but right now I'm just studying the language and learning how to speak and learning the culture. So I figured I'd do a year of the tiger. And again, I'm just going back in and pulling out different stickers. I think I mentioned that tiger sticker was I like that direction, but that was the only one they had in there. And so again, we're just pulling through stickers, pulling out some bullets. The bullet strips, they are also in the same print as the letters. So now I'm getting ready to actually place the stickers down. And you see there's a double sticker with a tiger on it. And I have never placed a sticker half in a column and half in the sidebar, at least not a double sticker, like a decorative sticker. Yes. So I've decided, well, I'm going to try that. Let's put it down. And then I realized that the sticker's kind of thin, so you could see the line. And so I pull out my big correction pen, got to shake it up, and then white out that line, because I like those pens better than just using the gel pens or something. I don't see the need when there's a good old liquid paper pen. Although you do have to shake it to make it work because the tip freezes up if you leave. So I try to wipe it clean so I don't leave any on there. I'm letting that sticker stay open till that spot dries. It only takes a few seconds, but I figured I'd go ahead and start on the other side. And I'm trying to figure out where to place my tiger. And you can see the letters, I kind of placed them a little jagged or curved or something, so I wouldn't have to fight with this idea of the perfect straight line. And so I have the ruler and I'm lining them up on the ruler to make that perfectly straight line. And then I thought, this doesn't feel good. So you'll see that I eventually just wipe it out and just randomly put them down and kind of turn them wonky so that it's clear that there is no straight line being sought after here. And I thought it made it more playful to go with the tiger as well. I don't know what I was talking about, so sorry. We are getting that down. And like I said, some of this I'll speed up, but I just wanted to show that how I put the letters down, and again how they're not perfect, and I intentionally offset them to make the spread look more authentic, you know. I also did the same, not the exact same, but I used the mini to do my on the go already, and I like it. I think I like my classic layout better. I did use the Year of the Tiger and tiger, but I didn't place all the stickers down the same, and I didn't use all the same stickers, just the main event, the tiger. So I'm going back in here because some of them are a little too perfect. I want them to be a little less perfect and just kind of trying to find that combination. This book was really fun to work with. I couldn't wait to get it when I saw it, but I've only used it once since I've had it, and I thought, well, I was already planning to use it. If you noticed at the beginning, I had little sticky notes on each week, and I'd already planned to use this one in January, but I moved it up to today because of the Year of the Tiger. So again, there's a little line, excuse me, coming between that A and the space of the A. So I am putting a little liquid paper on that. Then we go back to the other side, flatten that sticker down, and I really like it. I like the way that sticker turned out. So we're going to go ahead and lay down some more stickers. I'm just figuring out that sticker is actually for the monthly box, but of course you can put a sticker anywhere you want to put it. I just wanted to verify that in my own mind that was a monthly box sticker. And I'm trying to get tigers on both sides of the page without overdoing it, because this book is so busy and there's so much going on that I felt like it would be very easy to overdo it and make it just too congested. I like my eyes to be able to flow across the spread, and so I was trying very carefully to not overdo it, you know. So I'm going to put down one of the bullet strips. I also didn't want to put 50,000 tigers on there, even though that was the theme. Right there, I'm trying to figure out my work schedule, which days I'm teaching fitness classes, so I can kind of get an idea of where I want to put the stickers for that. Or do I want to use the bullets? If you can see, there are bullets on the right hand side of that sticker page. Again, I really wanted those two stickers, but I kept putting them back because I didn't want to overdo the tigers. Now this is my first time using these little things that I can remember. I wasn't quite sure, but I turned them sideways like that because I didn't like the idea of having to put them in the middle of the page going pointed down, but I didn't like them in the corners either, so I turned it to the side and figured I would use it that way. Right now I am looking to see if I have some green bullets that would match the green in the spread. So you see, I'm flipping through the Mega Rainbow book, and then I think I actually pulled out a couple of colorful blocks. Yeah, there they are. And I'm looking through there to see if there's some shade of green. And of course, the only shades of green that match, you can see, have already been used. I really like boxes to put my works, the days that I work on, and I usually do that with boxes. I don't really care for it with bullets, but I have done it with bullets, but I really prefer boxes. So I'm having a tough time right there trying to figure out what I want to do since I don't have the boxes. And then I remember, hey, I have another colorful boxes sticker book. So I go get it, or I reach to my left on my planner cart, which has all of my sticker books on it, only to find out that those same skinny green stickers that match the spread so perfectly have already been used there as well. So I had the idea of maybe just cutting out, and I have done this before, but I didn't do it here. Those green squares, just cut them out. Just get your craft knife and cut around the green space and gently remove it, because again, it'll be really thin because the sticker isn't there. And I've placed that on the planner pretending like it was a block. I have done that out of fits of desperation, which is why I will be making some colorful boxes of my own so that I won't have to worry about that again. So I go ahead and use these little shapes. I don't know what they are. The red and green up at the top. Now also, what you can't hear me say is that I was going to try very hard. I had made it a goal for 2022 to not pick up so many stickers and move them around. So you can see here where I kind of gently lay something down. It's because I've forgotten that no matter, once it hits the paper, I'm not allowed to pick it up and move it. And I did good. Now this sticker you can't hold against me. I just moved it down. Even though I didn't want it there, I just picked it up and pulled it down because I was going to put another sticker. I didn't want the same colors right next to each other. That's the only one that was shifted. The rest of them, you can see once I put it down, you'll see my hands jump, because in the video I'm actually saying, no, I didn't want to put that one there, but I can't pick it up now. So I mean, y'all, it was hard, because some of those stickers I would rather have placed differently or not at all. I would have rather pulled them up and replace them. But because I said that, and I had never really been able to do it before, I figured I'm just not going to fight with it. Once I place it, the only reason I'll pick it up is to straighten it up if it's crooked. But once I've placed it down, that is it. It is going to stay. I am not going to be indecisive and keep moving these stickers around. And so that's why you see what you see, because I can't pick anything up. And some of them, I forgot that. You know, you have this mindset that if you don't like where it is, you can just move it. Well, I have that mindset. And so a lot of those I placed down before I made that decision to leave it wherever, to leave it in that spot. So once it stuck to the paper, I was not allowed to move it, in my own mind, of course. And I really can say that I enjoyed that. I enjoyed not having to go, oh, we'll pick it up and put it somewhere else. I didn't think I would, but I did, even though there were some of those I would like to have moved, It's kind of crazy, I know. So yeah, we're just putting those down. And I realized that I really don't want to use those two stickers, the white squares and the little pointer square, because they have the tiger in it, and I think I have enough tigers in the spread already. So I'm back in the book searching for a square that I can put down that doesn't have a tiger in it. Of course, I grab another checklist, that's what I couldn't think of earlier, the word. And I'm putting that sticker back because again, it was another tiger, and I have them facing all directions, so we're just going to leave it at that. I put that one down because the two on the left side have the little flowers in it, so I put that green one over there. And clearly I want something in the sidebar and something in that space on the bottom, so I figure out I have to use that tiger because that box is the same color as the scheme and the other sticker, and I don't have anything else that I can put there. So I bite the bullet and I put that tiger there again. Plus, there are 3 tigers on one page, so I figured, well, if I'm going to do this, I might as well put another tiger on this side so we can kind of balance the number of tigers and that they're facing different directions. So there we go with that. Now I'm trying to figure out, okay, well, we'll see about that one. And then there's a happy phrase, and we're going to put that right over the double box. And then the book also had some the pink diamonds they were pink paper, but they were white. See right there, I was just about to pick that up and move it because I realized I meant to put a double diamond sticker right there. Well, I said I was not going to pull it up, so I didn't. I just figured out how to add the double one to it. It just made that corner with 3 diamonds as opposed to 2. So I'm placing those in other random spots, trying to make the spread feel fuller. And okay, yeah. And there's one page in that sticker book where the tiger came from and those little diamonds. It's pink. So around the tiger, there's a pink outline around him, and that pink matches the pink in those diamonds. And I love that this book came with bullets. So I am using the dark green of those bullets to put down a couple in some spaces to kind of fill that space out. And I'm still looking for something to go in that sidebar. I feel like it still needs, there's the pink page. I feel like that sidebar still needs something, and apparently I sped it up a little too fast right here. So I end up putting that pointy tiger there because I thought that was a neat little cluster between the double box and the phrase. And there it is. Year of the Tiger, my first spread of 2022. Now I'm deciding what kind of pins I want to put in the pin loops. I love red. It's my favorite color, but I really don't like to write in my planners with red. Meaning, I don't mind marking, but I don't like to write like whole things and phrases and thoughts in red. It's just, I don't know, it pops off the page too much for me. So I'm trying to figure out which of these pins match the colors in the spread the best. So I've chosen those 2 flare pins, and then I got up and went and looked at my tool pin collection to see which one of those varieties might match. And that one with the cap on it is a tool pin, and it writes in a very dark green. So I figured the dark green tool and the yellowish orangey flare pen would be the 2 pens that I would use to write in my planner for the rest of the week. And there you have it, guys. That is it. In the end, I really like it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you were able to enjoy this planner setup for the week, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here throughout the rest of the year. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's those small and simple things in life that really makes life worth living. Rah!